Thanks for joining us today, everyone. So before we show you guys our installation video on the Model Y, we figured we would show you guys the actual factory speakers that we've removed from it and compare those to the actual Orella speakers that got installed. So check it out. I mean, it's pretty impressive. So look at the size, first off, on the subwoofer here. This is the Orella. This is the factory. Look, I can literally pick this up with my pinky. It's so light. This, on the other hand, is way heavier. Way heavier. Dual voice coils, way bigger magnet. You can take a look at the front of it. So big difference, huge difference in weight. Then secondly, you've got all the mids here, so you can see this. The actual cones are totally different. This is a paper cone, this composite or carbon. And yeah, so now you've actually got 5 mids and 2 tweeters. But when you move to the Orella system, you actually get 3 coaxial speakers. So you're actually getting 3 additional tweeters out of this system. So this one will become your center channel. These 2 go into the rear doors. These are your front, left, and right channels in the dash. And then, of course, you've got your tweeters here that are also going in the front doors. Now, look at this tweeter compared to the factory tweeter. Weight difference there, too. Magnets. Take a look at the mids. Big difference. So yeah, there you go. Just wanted to show you guys some of the differences between the factory speakers and the Orella speakers. And check out the video where we show you guys how to install it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.